The common standardized job analysis technique is the Position Analysis Questionnaire, known as the PAQ. Let's take a look. The Position Analysis Questionnaire, or PAQ, is a 194-item survey that measures a number of different employee work-related behaviors necessary to perform a variety of tasks in different jobs. Of these survey items, 187 relate to worker behaviors that employees must display to successfully perform the required tasks of a job, like estimating sales or analyzing information. These 187 survey items are designed to measure the extent to which 6 broad job domains are representative of a particular job, including information input, where and how do employees get the information they need to perform the job, mental processes, what reasoning, decision-making, planning, and information processing activities do employees perform in the job, work output, what physical activities are required to perform the job and what tools are used, relationships with other persons, what relationships with other people are required to perform the job context, what are the physical and social aspects of the work environment in which the job is performed, and finally, other characteristics. What activities, conditions, or characteristics other than the previous 5 are relevant to the job? The underlying logic of this approach is that while specific tasks performed across jobs may differ, there are certain work behaviors common in the performance of most jobs. Procedurally, this approach follows a simple format. First, a job analyst assesses the extent to which different job elements are involved in a particular job. This is usually done through observation of the job and interviews with current job holders and supervisors. Then, the analyst rates the applicable job elements in terms of their importance to the job, the amount of time spent on the tasks, their extent of use, their possibility of occurrence, and any other special codes. Finally, these ratings are sent to the PAQ corporate headquarters, where they are scored and a report is generated regarding a job's scores on each of the dimensions. Because the PAQ is widely used for job analysis across many companies, results that are submitted to PAQ headquarters may be used to identify comparisons between similar jobs in different companies. Of course, as with all standard techniques, the PAQ has trade-offs. The disadvantages of the PAQ are that it's fairly complex, sophisticated, time-consuming, and potentially quite costly. And due to the complexity of the evaluation process, it's recommended that the PAQ be administered by trained analysts. In addition, the PAQ is believed to be more suited for blue-collar jobs than for professional, managerial, or technical jobs. Due to these limitations, the PAQ approach is not the most appropriate for analyzing every situation. The PAQ method does, however, provide an excellent method for classifying different jobs into a coherent structure that's useful for HR activities such as administering pay and benefit programs. And because these work behaviors may be linked to necessary job specifications, the PAQ may prove useful for staffing and training purposes as well.